Cornfield House is a captivating example of how modern architecture can harmoniously integrate with the natural environment. Situated in a serene village surrounded by mountains and flowing rivers, this countryside home serves as a bridge between urban life and the tranquility of nature. The design reflects a deep respect for traditional layouts, with the main structure facing south to maximize precious sunlight during the winter months. The use of a gable roof allows the house to blend seamlessly into the vernacular landscape, while large windows and open spaces invite the outside world into the living areas. The architecture of the Cornfield House acts as a sensory gateway, responding to the surrounding landscape with its thoughtful sections and materials. This home not only provides shelter, but also fosters a deep connection with the environment, making it a place where one can find peace and inspiration in the beauty of nature.